welcome. We have an Italian dish for you today. We're going to be making shells with cream cheese and a walnut sauce. It's going to be fantastic. All right, we're going to add a couple tablespoons of oil, olive oil. And then we're going to add our garlic and some oregano. And we're going to cook this down for a couple minutes. All right, so it's been about a minute now. We're going to add our butter. We're going to get this melted down. And we're going to add our cream cheese. All right, once we have this somewhat melted down, we're going to add our finely chopped walnuts. We're going to make a nice thick sauce out of this. And we're going to simmer this for about 5 minutes or so. In the meantime, we'll get our pasta cooking and drained out and ready to go. All right, we have our cheese sauce. You can see some of the butter does not go well with the cheese, but we will make that happen when we mix it all together with the pasta. Okay, here's our pasta. We're going to pour this in here. Then we are going to add our milk. And we're going to add our heavy cream. And then we're going to stir real good. This is over an off burner. It's warm. If you're using gas, you can put it on a very, very light burner. And make sure everything is coated. The smell is amazing out of this. It's got that nutty smell going on. Then we're going to garnish with some parm and on top. And we're going to give it a try. All right, let's give this a shot and see what it tastes like. Oh, wow. Real creamy. This is a real thick, creamy sauce. The oregano is really profound. You wouldn't even know there's walnuts in it. It gives it a nice nutty flavor. Please try this out. This is very excellent. Until next time, this is the Classical Gourmet wishing you happy cooking.